Hey you guys, it's Bree. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can achieve a wash day routine in 30 minutes or less with just 3 products from the Naturalicious Hello Gorgeous hair care system. Okay, so let's get started because the clock is ticking. For the first step, I'm going to be using their Moroccan Razul 5-in-1 clay treatment. This product is a shampoo, conditioner, deep conditioner, detangler, and leave-in conditioner. And I love this product as a deep conditioner because it really helps to define your curls and make them feel nice and healthy. But I did not leave this product in my hair. I ended up washing it out. So I'm going to be applying the clay treatment to all 4 sections of my hair. This step only took me 10 minutes to apply the product, detangle my hair, and rinse it out. So the Naturalicious products are all natural and the company is Black owned. So right now I'm rinsing out the clay and look how defined my curls are. Bomb. So now on to step 2. I'm using the Moisture Infusion Styling Cream, and this was actually my favorite product from the line, and this is what I'll be using to style my wash and go. So I'm applying the product onto soaking wet hair. I'm only showing you one section of my hair because, you know, it would be tedious for me to do all 4 sections on camera. So yeah, I'm just showing you one section, and then I will show you guys how I further style my hair once I'm out of the shower. Okay, so steps 1 and 2 took me about 18 minutes, and now I'm going to be moving on to step 3, but first I'm going to use a little bit more of the Moisture Infusion Styling Cream just to help further define my curls. I'm not using a gel for this wash and go, so I want to just make sure I can get as much definition as I can with this cream because I only wanted to use the products within the Naturalicious line. But now I'm going to be moving on to step 3, which is the Divine Shine Moisture Lock and Frizz Fighter Oil Serum. Usually when I do my wash and goes, I don't even add like any extra oils, but after doing this hair routine, I actually see the difference it makes when you add a little bit of oil to your wash and go. So I'm probably going to start incorporating this oil into my daily curly hair routine. Okay, so total styling time took me 28 minutes. This is what my hair looks like completely air dried using the styling cream and the oil, and I have to say that my hair is actually pretty defined for just using a cream and an oil and no gel. I mean, I can't really complain at all. This is going to give you great first day hair. You can just fluff it out a little bit for a little bit more volume. And yeah, I mean, it's a great, quick, easy wash and go routine and wash day. This is my hair on the second day, a lot more volume, still a little bit of definition there. You could refresh some pieces if you like, but I mean, I just gelled down my edges. I'm completely happy with my results. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it and found it helpful. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and make sure you check out Naturalicious. I will link them down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.